I thought learning Python variables was confusing. Then I met lists and dictionaries. At first, they looked like random symbols, square brackets, and curly braces. Honestly, I thought, there's no way I'm going to understand this. But then, something clicked. I realized lists and dictionaries aren't just Python concepts. They're how Python organizes information. And once I understood that, everything started making more sense. If you're new here, I'm documenting my journey into data science, sharing every lesson, the confusing ones included, so you don't have to learn alone. This week, I learned that a list is simply a collection of related items. Instead of creating lots of separate variables, Python lets you store everything in one place. For example, apple, orange, and mango can all be stored inside a single list. Simple, but incredibly powerful. Then I realized that's exactly how programmers manage large amounts of data. Then came dictionaries. At first, they confused me even more. But here's what helped. A dictionary stores information using key value pairs. Think of it like a contact card. Name, Ben, age, 40, career, teacher, instead of remembering the position of the data. Python remembers its label. That was the moment everything started making sense. Lists are great when order matters. Dictionaries are great when labels matter. One thing I'm learning is that progress doesn't always feel exciting. Sometimes you're confused. Sometimes you read the same lesson again, but every lesson becomes the foundation for the next one. Variables led me to lists. Lists led me to dictionaries. And every small step is bringing me closer to becoming a data scientist. If you're learning Python, changing careers, or starting over later in life, don't compare your chapter 2 to someone else's chapter 20. Just keep showing up, one lesson, one breakthrough at a time. Subscribe and follow my journey.